up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm getting the key to our new temporary home. This is a rental property, guys. I have not bought my house cash yet, but it is coming. It's brand new construction, big yard and everything that I wanted. So let's go. So we are currently in the living room. Trust is excited about the fans, that it has fans. So out here is our porch. The porch and the backyard and stuff. This is the dining area with this breakfast bar. I love this. Like, we're gonna do a lot of cooking videos in here. I love the counter space. I needed a little bigger kitchen. This kitchen is way bigger. I wish it was like an open island, but this is temporary. We're not staying here permanently, so I'm okay with that. They gave us these. They went to the dollar store and got some essential items as a welcome gift, so that was nice. The cabinets in here are big, way more cabinet space, y'all. So I really love this place. Like, I was like, this is the place I want. Got the built-in range. So it's the microwave, stove. It's all GE appliances. This is a new construction Lennar home. So it's brand new, it's Lennar. And then have the refrigerator, freezer. I am gonna buy me a deep freezer. They didn't put this in right. I'm gonna have to like, it looks crooked to me. Well, I can explain it, but y'all know I ain't got on my glasses, so that might be. And then it got like some handprints on it. I'm gonna have to clean it out. Construction workers didn't even pick up nothing outside. Let me turn these blinds the other way too. Like, it's a mess outside. I love that it's fenced, y'all. And my kids like the neighborhood. This is actually one of my dream neighborhoods. Like, when I was looking to buy a house years ago, I was like, this is one of my dream neighborhoods. I love everything over here. So I'm very happy to be in here. Now, over here we got our 2-car garage. Turn on the light. 2-car garage. Which is a good thing. I park the van in the garage and just bring my groceries right in the house. No more walking up 3 flights of stairs. Over here is the pantry. Ooh, this is a big old pantry. I knew like it was long. I didn't know it was like this much space. That thing got a lot of floor space for me to put drinks on the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna fill this up real quick because, you know, I keep me some groceries. I just thought about some drinks. Then the next door right here, we have like a coat closet. No, this is the bathroom. Bathroom. It's a half bath. Toilets. They do gotta do some touch-up paint in here. They're like a dookie stain. Right here, they need to come paint this. I love the skylights too, but they gotta come paint this. So I'm gonna tell them that. I love how high the ceilings is too, and how tall the doors are. Over here is the storage closet, like a coat closet. It's so spacious, y'all. Look at this. Very, very spacious. So I could put all my waist so gorgeous stuff, waist language stuff in this room instead of in the garage. So I like that. Then this, you know, the living room area. So dining, living room. Then we transition to this little nook over here. I'm like, what is supposed to be right here? Like, what will this be? But I said I can make this my office. I can set up like my editing stuff right here. And then we head upstairs. Let's go. Upstairs. This carpet is so soft too, y'all. Master. And the master is pretty big, like it's long. It's not luxurious. Like, I had a house that was better than this as far as the master bedroom, bathroom go, but it is spacious enough. Like, I could give baby a little corner in this room and still have a lot of room left for myself. And I love these blinds. These are the blinds you just touch. No screens. View of the backyard. So kids can go out and play, which I love that. I love that it was fenced. Over here, I'm telling y'all, this is brand new construction. Over here is the walk-in closet. Pretty spacious. Walk-in closet. I'm like, this is the house I'm gonna make my $1 million in. I told Daddy that. I said, babe, how you feel standing in the house that I'm finna make my $1 million in? He like, just started laughing, but I'm serious. Then this is the linen closet. So it's a lot of space. And I love how big the linen closet is because I have a bunch of comforters. Like, I could stack my comforters all the way up to the ceiling. I can't even touch the ceiling right now. So, real happy about this. I'm so turned. So ready. Then in the bathroom, they left these towels. Because like I said, it's new construction. They did a lot of black marble right here on this countertop. But they left these extra towels, which Daddy gonna move down to the garage for me. Just because it's new construction. And then this is the shower. I feel like the bathroom is weak sauce. I wish it had a throne room. But like I said, it's temporary, so I ain't going insane about it. I like that I can switch the fan on and off because I hate that noise. My other apartment, I couldn't turn it off. It came on with the light. But this is the toilet. They didn't do a throne room. A throne room is when they have like the door. They didn't do that to save space in here. But I do have a walk-in shower. It's not huge, but it'll do. I'm happy about it. And then over here, we have his and her sinks. His and her sinks and a huge mirror. Take up wall to wall. So I love how spacious this is. And it got a lot of storage drawers, you know. 2 sections over here, so this could be my side, you know, and his side. Turn off those lights. I'm so happy about this. The kids still haven't seen it. We still have not showed the kids. They know that we're moving, but they don't know where we're moving to. They don't know how it looks, so I can't wait to see their reactions. Turn on the hall light. Over here, look, this is the thermometer. The thermostat to control the air. Yes, your girl Ashley as usual. It didn't come with a washer and dryer, so I have to go buy a washer and dryer. I've been looking before we even were moving in here. I knew it didn't have the washer and dryer, so I've been looking. Versus where I currently live, it came with washer and dryer. So I have to do that. But I love this laundry room. The washer and dryers, I've been seeing it like even the cheapest ones, brand new, are like $500. But I love this. Look at this. I can come here and close the door and just do my laundry and be in peace. And then over here, you know, got our AC unit and stuff like that. But it's actually a laundry room. It's not that big of a laundry room, but it's a pretty decent size where I can come in here and do laundry with the door closed and fold and everything. So y'all gonna be getting some laundry videos from your girl. Turn that light off. Next, we go down this hallway. Look how much space. Like, we right here. This is my room. And then way down here, we gotta go to get to these kiddos. So for those of you who's like, gorgeous getting to bed, where you gonna put it? In her own room. So over here, the first room we have is the kids' bathroom, which has a tub. They got one of these too, look, which I love. I hate that sound, okay? Unless I'm pooping. TMI, I know. This is the kids' sink. They don't like they did a final clean. Like, you can still feel like the construction, sand, and all that stuff in here. But this is the kids' sink. I like this. Nice. Then we got the toilet, basic bathroom, the tub. Ooh, they didn't clean it. So I have to go through and clean everything, y'all. Even though it's brand new, they didn't even clean up outside. I'm gonna show y'all what outside look like so y'all can see how they didn't clean up. Like, come on now, construction dudes, pick up your mess. This room right here is gonna be gorgeous room. It's one of the smaller rooms. All of the kids' closets have these sliding doors. They don't have walk-in closet. They have the sliding doors. So I'm like, this one's gonna be gorgeous because it's smaller and it's just gonna be her in here. She said she might be nice and let baby come stay sometimes if we get her the bunk bed. But if we get the regular bed, then baby can't stay. And then over here is gonna be choice room and McIntyre. Choice and McIntyre's room. And the reason why I want this to be choice and McIntyre. I hope y'all enjoyed the video thus far. My phone had died. Always unprepared. And now we done start moving stuff in. I'm sitting on my mama's porch. It is currently Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope y'all enjoying y'all homemade macaroni and ham and all that good stuff, whatever you decided to make. And most importantly, your family. I'm taking gorgeous hair out too. Wait. And now they finna start playing music. Everybody just coming to my mama's house. I already done ate. I actually got my plate. Right, that's all I got left. Trying to sit out here and be, you know, peaceful, away from everybody, so I can edit. But yeah, we moved already. That's why I haven't uploaded the videos in a couple of days. Y'all, trying to vlog with these kids and the whole family and music and all that is kind of hard. But yeah, that's why I'm sitting outside. I just wanted to let you guys know that's why I haven't been uploading. If you like, Peaches, where you at? Where you been at? I haven't uploaded because I've been so busy moving. And it is a rental property. It is not my house. For those of you like, did you buy a house cash? Not yet, not yet. It is coming. I will hopefully, I won't tell y'all when I'm gonna buy my house, but it'll be within the next year. Within the next year, I will have my house cash. I can go out and apply for a mortgage and get approved for a mortgage, but that's not what I want to do. I want to buy my house cash, which is why I chose to do a rental property. I was hesitant about moving, but we needed the space, and I wanted a bigger kitchen. My kitchen is so small because of so much other stuff that I'm going to be doing. I want to thank the Peach Patch. Without y'all watching my videos, liking my videos, commenting on my videos, without the super chats, without the cash apps, without y'all purchasing one-on-ones, group sessions, products from Waist So Gorgeous and Waist Language Inc. I want to thank all y'all for, you know, supporting me. Because of you guys supporting me, I'm able to put my children in a better environment and a better school and chase all my dreams. So thank y'all so much, Peach Patch. Without y'all, I wouldn't be here. So genuinely, thank you guys. I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I want to thank you all for watching this video. And if you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Follow. Hit her hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Fly with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like for your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like.